Hello, how are you feeling today?
A little better, thank you.
Good. Let's keep monitoring. I understand your concern. Let me explain.
Okay, doctor.
Everything will be fine.
How are you feeling today?
Much better, thank you.
That's wonderful to hear.
Your test results are back and everything looks great. Just keep up the healthy habits and you'll be fine.
All right, let's check this knee.
Hee, that tickles.
Good kick. Now the other one.
Okay.
Perfect. All done.